Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Lincoln Navigator and I will show you which relay and which fuses to check in case you're having problems with the rear air suspension. Now, it's always a good idea to first check all the fuses before you take the vehicle to a mechanical shop, because if you only have to replace the fuse, that's quite cheap and easy to do by yourself. This video will apply to Lincoln Navigators made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. Okay, now everything you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, right here in front of the engine. It's very easy accessible. To lift the cover, you have two black tabs, so I want to press onto them and lift up to unlock it. On the back side of the cover, you also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, so there is a couple of fuses to check and one relay. Now the first fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 19, which is a 60 amp fuse located right here, responsible for power to rear air suspension relay feed. Okay, now if this fuse proves to be good, next thing you want to check, it's air suspension relay, which is in the upper right corner, and this is the one. Next fuse to check, it's a fuse number 48, which is a 30 amp fuse in the middle of the fuse box, responsible for power to rear air suspension module. And the last small fuse, it's a fuse number 53, which is a 10 amp red fuse, responsible for power to rear air suspension module as well. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.